All right, so anyway, we're at RJ's right now. We're gonna go in there, and first thing you do is when you go in, you order before you sit down. So,
Hey,
hi.
sorry, I was making sure it was open.
Oh, it's open. So you come here. This is the best burger place in Kennedy, Texas. So when you're here, check it out. What do you want, Danny? Here's the menu right here.
I'm trying to decide between a chili cheeseburger and a bacon cheeseburger.
I'm getting the avocado cheeseburger. That's my favorite right there. That's what I'm gonna get.
Healthy.
Yeah, so.
The avocado balances out. Apparently so, according to Eric, the avocado will probably balance out the bread, so it's like he's not even eating bread.
Exactly.
Which is false, but whatever.
No, it's
I'm gonna go all out with the full Monty. I want the pork, I want the beef, and I want the carbs, because that's how I roll.
Make mine a double meat.
Double?
Sorry.
How about you?
No, I'm good.
He's a wuss. So, since I'm not having fries, I decided for a double meat. I'd rather have the protein. Because as you can see, I'm a very healthy eater. I'm not. It's like, what's the most, we're trying to figure out the healthiest cheeseburger. Is there, yeah, right? That's an oxymoron.
That's why.
So here's a fun fact. Lettuce is 95% water. So if you think about it, a salad is 5% away from being soup. Think about that one. This is a double meat avocado cheeseburger with grilled onions, mayonnaise, and tomatoes. Daniel here, what did you have, Daniel?
The bacon cheeseburger.
He got the bacon cheeseburger. So anyway, we're gonna dig in and we'll let you know how good it is. I mean, I know it's good, but I know Daniel doesn't. So after we eat, we're gonna get Daniel's reaction because he has never been here. So we'll be right back.
So I took a bite of probably one of the best burgers I've had in a very, very long time. The bread is toasted, which is awesome. So you can go crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. The meat is just perfection. The bacon is nice and crispy, that good smoky flavor. The pickles, the onions. I got grilled onions on here. This thing is a total package. I mean, yeah, I'm not mad at it. I think I'm gonna marry it, actually. For sure.
Good, huh?
So good.
That was a great meal. Danny was very pleased. And as you can see, the rain just came back again. So this is Texas. If you don't like the weather, wait 15 minutes. Now, again, I had a double meat avocado cheeseburger and Daniel had the bacon cheeseburger. $17.28 was the total. So you're not gonna break the bank. And like I said, this is a very good burger place here in Kennedy, Texas. So if you're ever around, come by.
Okay, so Eric brought me to this place. He knows that I love food. Actually, he's learning that I love food. I just completely, I love it. I really do. I'm a little sad when it's gone. I cry on the inside a little. However, so he brought me out to RJ Hamburgers right here in Kennedy, Texas. He said, if you're gonna eat, you're gonna eat right, and we're gonna do this right. So he likes to come to these local places, brought me here. I had a bacon cheeseburger, he had a double meat cheeseburger, and like he said, you're not gonna break the bank. This place is just awesome, just for the value that you get for what you get. If you have an opportunity and you're in Kennedy, Texas, or you're just driving through South Texas, you're like, you know what, I wanna do something crazy, make the trip, get out here, get it in your belly, support local, give back. You know, Eric with Texas Barndominiums, he knows how to eat, and I am so glad that I'm here to eat with him. Check it out, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, we got more barns to build, more places to eat, more stuff to do. So I guess I got to get back to work.
We'll see you next time. We are Texas Barndominiums.